flight. Who am I this time?
Whoever you want to be.
Really? Well, maybe I'll be one of those Hitchcock ice princesses, you know? Grace Kelly, Kim Novak. Oh, scientists always have the hots for Kim Novak.
That certainly beats that cheap hooker routine you do.
Yes, but I do it so well, don't you think?
It's a simple interagency transfer. He'll be in a brown suit, grey pocket handkerchief, blonde
Blonde
traveling.
traveling companion. Why are traveling companions always blonde?
It's his daughter, Alice.
Yeah, and I'm your sister.
Join the group, and I watch your back until you're on the platform. I join, and then security fall away. And when we get to Paris, we deliver. Simple.
Simple.
And when we're through, we have 3 days together at the Imperial Hotel. No scientists, no contacts, just you and me.
Oh, I hate to admit it. I love you.
What did you say?
I said, your eyes are bloodshot again. You really must get more sleep.
Be careful, Alice.
Yeah, why start now?
Der Schnellzug aus Bremen über Hannover, Braunschweig, Magdeburg, Dessau, Leipzig, fährt auf Gleis 8B1. Bitte zurücktreten an der Bahnsteige. Der Verkehrsschnellzug nach Potsdam.
Excuse me, I'm having a bit of trouble with the sign. I wonder if you could tell me which way to Berlin.
Perhaps I could see your
Ticket, yes, right here.
Anything in your subconscious can be pulled into VR. You know that, right? Anything in anybody else.
I'm trying to protect you.
Who do you work for?
Just call in the committee.
Did your father ever take you into VR5?
I think it's playing with your brain. I love it.
Welcome to the game, Sidney Boone.
Never sit on a skylight. Might break. Hi.
We really can't go on meeting like this, you know?
Why not?
You work for a telephone company, but you somehow contrive never to answer your phone.
Oh,
Got tired of knocking.
sorry, I was busy.
Hey, huh?
Hi-ho.
Here's your assignment.
My assignment? This phone number? What does it mean?
That's it.
Who is it?
I really don't know. They didn't say it. They just said get on with it. Some accident victim is having trouble with her memory. That's all I know.
What's wrong?
I don't know, Sydney. Maybe I want a 9-to-5 job.
Well, I could talk to somebody at Telca. Got a lot of connections there.
Fed up with it, Sydney. I'm fed up with it. Fed up with coming here.
Here?
I'm sorry, that was rude. Too easy to bait, Sydney. You should try insulting me back sometime. Take your time. I'm sure you'll think of something.
So, where do I take this person?
Oh, I don't know.
Who is it?
I don't know.
You don't know anything, I guess.
It's better. Work on it.
Vertigo. Mystery number. Here we go. Work on this.
And she can't do this because, you know, I mean, she just wants to do everything everybody. She wants to please everybody. You know, she's a people pleaser, okay? So this is a Cinderella doll. Now, here's the one I don't want you to emulate is this Cinderella chick, okay? Because she does get the prince in the end, but you know, it's...
Pourquoi? Parce que moi, è con 12 contro Roberto, una fuerza terrible. J'ai beaucoup de problèmes.
And her wicked stepsister, this is 3, 4, I don't know, 2, 3 of them. Anyway,
Non,
so...
voyez pas un garçon qui fait le travail de l'homme.
Hear the story of Cinderella. I'll tell you, it's a real...
Achtung! Der Schnellzug aus Bremen, Hannover, Braunschweig, Magdeburg, Dessau, Leipzig, 4, 8, B. Bitte zurücktreten an der Bahnsteigkante. Achtung, Achtung!
Excuse me.
Der
I'm
Verkehrsschnellzug.
having a bit of a problem with this sign. I wonder if you could tell me how I get to Berlin.
Perhaps I could see your,
Ticket?
well, that would be a nice place to start.
Oh,